Hey, quick question. How old do I have to be a pilot? 14. What? That's young. Well, that's for gliders and balloons. Well, what if I just wanted to fly airplanes? Well, most people start with their private pilot certificate, and you can begin training at 16, but you can't get your actual certificate till you're 17. Well, what if I want to be an instructor? How old would I have to be then? So you're going to need your commercial certificate and your CFI certificate. You got to be 18 to have those. Can I fly for the airlines at 18? So you'll have to have your ATP certificate to do that, which involves being at least 23 years old. Well, that is unless you get a restricted ATP certificate, which lets you work for the airlines at 21. Recording. You look so suspicious. Don't mind that. You'll have to have your ATP certificate.
Oh, Paul, you look like you're smiling a little bit.